Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage egg rice. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need 1 cup of cooked rice, 2 large eggs, and about 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage. Don't forget 1 small onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Also, have 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, plus a pinch of salt and pepper on hand. This simple dish comes together quickly with everything organized. Let's get cooking. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, crack in your 2 eggs and scramble them quickly until they are just set but still soft. Remove the cooked eggs and set them aside. In the same pan, add the minced garlic and diced onion. Sauté these aromatics for about 2 minutes, stirring frequently until they become fragrant and slightly translucent. Now it's time for the star vegetables and rice. Add the 2 cups of shredded cabbage to the pan with the aromatics. Cook the cabbage for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it softens slightly. Next, add the 1 cup of cooked rice, making sure to break up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, then season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything well to combine. Almost done. Bring back those scrambled eggs you set aside earlier. Gently fold them into the rice and cabbage mixture, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the dish. Continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, just long enough to heat everything through completely. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh green onions or cilantro. Serve your warm, flavorful cabbage egg rice immediately and enjoy this simple, hearty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.